So today we have a product that I actually purchased myself. This was not sent by the company. So this is a roll of window privacy film. As you can see, 17.5 inches by 78 inches. So 17 inches here, and then the whole thing is 78 inches long. Now you could use this for a variety of different reasons. A lot of people would use this maybe on a sliding door to block from people being able to see. Me, for example, I'm putting mine on our windows to block the dogs from being able to see out so that they will not bark at nothing that's outside. There's not really anything to show you in an unboxing. They give you a little installation guide here. Clean your window, measure the surface, clean it, peel it off, stick it on. We're gonna stick it on our windows and show you what it looks like right here. And there we are. We have installed this on the lower window, so now when the dogs jump up here to look out the window, they will not be able to see. Best thing ever. This is of course with the film, and that's without. I mean, you can see the difference right there. Also in the other window, you can see it very well here. We didn't have to do this half due to the fact that, well, they can't see that high anyway. And from the outside, you can't see anything. Like there you can see in, and there you can. Love it. So that'll do it for this window privacy film. Thank you all for watching this demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.